Thank you. Our next guest is a very talented young musician. His album is called Second Avenue Ball, and he can be seen at the Bowery Electric on November 11th at 9:30 p.m. Here he is, Clinton Curtis.
If the L train's running, baby should be in my bed. If the L train's running, baby should be in my bed. Sun coming up, signal must be showing red. If the streetcar's pumping, baby should be loving on me. If the road ain't washed out, baby should be loving on me. Don't my heart go jumping when you think of what could truly be. If the L train's running, somebody should be in my bed. If the road ain't washed out, somebody should be in my bed. You know, sometime in this world, a man be better dead. Now I hit the bridge at sunrise, not one idea where I'm bound. Last night, cloud in my eyes, not one idea where I'm bound. Baby could be up in Bushwick, she could be lost and found. I reached the border, how can it be? Tell me, officer, which way did she go now? To add more pain to my injury, they're playing a song on the radio, yeah, yeah. If the L train's running, baby should be in my bed. If the L train's running, baby should be in my bed. Sun coming up, signal must be showing red.
All right, Clinton Curtis, everybody. That's gonna do us.